Why do most people reach the end of 2026 in the exact same financial position they started in? Not richer, not freer, just older. It's not because they're lazy. It's not because the system is unfair. And it's not because they didn't get lucky. It's because of small financial decisions repeated every single day that quietly block growth. Welcome to Precision Net. In the next few minutes, you'll understand why most people don't grow financially and exactly how you can break out of the cycle starting today. The first mistake is bad financial habits. Most people don't manage money, they react to it. Money comes in, and before they even think, it's already gone. They spend first, then hope something is left to save. And when nothing remains, they tell themselves they'll try again next month. This habit alone keeps millions of people stuck for years. Not because they earn too little, but because they never control the flow. Growing financially isn't about how much you make. It's about what you do the moment money hits your account. People who grow do something different. They decide in advance. They save first. They invest second. And they live on what remains. Same income, completely different outcome. The second reason people don't grow is poor priorities. Most people use their money to look successful instead of becoming successful. They upgrade phones, cars, clothes, and lifestyles before upgrading their skills, assets, or income streams. They spend money to impress people who don't pay their bills. And in return, they delay their future. Real growth requires delayed gratification. It means choosing progress over pleasure. It means investing in things that pay you back instead of things that lose value the moment you buy them. The third mistake is procrastination disguised as planning. People love saying, "I'm still learning," or "I'll start when I earn more." But more money doesn't fix bad habits. It only exposes them. Waiting is expensive. Every year you delay investing, saving, or building skills, you lose time you can never get back. Wealth doesn't come from perfect timing. It comes from starting before you feel ready. The truth is simple. Most people don't grow financially because they never build systems. They rely on motivation. They rely on willpower. And when life gets busy, everything collapses. People who grow build boring systems. Automatic savings, automatic investments, clear budgets, clear goals, no emotions, no guessing. Here's how you break out. First, decide a fixed percentage of your income to save and invest, no matter how small. Now what's left? Now what feels comfortable? A fixed percentage. Second, automate it. When discipline is automatic, growth becomes inevitable. Third, increase that percentage every time your income increases. Lifestyle should grow slower than income. That gap is where wealth is built. Fourth, track your money. Not to restrict yourself, but to stay aware. What you measure improves. And finally, think long-term. Money grows quietly, slowly, and then all at once. Financial growth isn't loud. It's not flashy, and it's not overnight. But if you fix your habits, your priorities, and your systems, 2026 won't look like your past years. It will be the year everything starts to compound. You don't need a miracle. You don't need luck. You need control, consistency, and patience. This is Precision Net, and this is how growth really happens.